Hey there, this is Barbie Figueroa and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included inside your graphics kit after you make your purchase. So when you make your purchase from the store, you are going to go through the checkout, and after you make your purchase, you're going to land on a page that thanks you for your purchase, and you're going to see a bright orange download button, and that is where you're going to be able to download your graphics kit. You're also going to get some emails in the email that you use to purchase the kit, and that will include your receipt of purchase, another download link just in case you missed the one at checkout, and you're also going to get access to the brand Swatch Graphics Studio, which is a step-by-step training portal that's going to show you how to make the most out of your new brand graphics kit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use your brand graphics kit. I'm going to show you what's in it and how we can create incredible marketing assets for your business and stay on brand without starting from scratch. All right, so when you make your purchase, you are going to receive a PDF booklet, and it's called the brand graphics kit. For this example, we're going to use Cherry Spark. So inside of the Cherry Spark brand graphics kit, you are going to receive a few things. You're going to receive a quick welcome letter. You're going to actually receive your brand swatch. That way you always have it handy. And it's also going to give you inspiration for your ebooks, your social media graphics, etc. And we've also included a website inspiration so that if you do want to build your own homepage or website or funnel, you have inspiration layout to get you started. And then you're going to get all the Canva bonus resources that you need to confidently get your business and your brand off the ground, including Instagram mockups, digital product mockups, book magazine mockups, ebook lead magnet mockups, and e-course and webinar slides, so that you don't have to be scouring the entire internet trying to figure out what you should have inside of your marketing assets. We've already curated everything that you need so that you can do one of the most important things that you're going to do as an entrepreneur online, and that is stay focused. You have everything you need to build out a digital product, to post on your Instagram, to create an ebook, a lead magnet, everything you need. And on top of that, you're going to keep everything cohesive and on brand. And you're also going to get all of your brand assets, including icons, elements, and logo, your backgrounds, and you're also going to get your hex codes at a glance. So make sure you follow the how to create a Canva brand kit video training inside of the training portal, because I show you how to create your brand kit inside of Canva for easy access to all your graphics and your colors inside of your brand graphics kit. And this is going to make creating your images and your assets so much easier. The second thing you're going to get access to when you purchase your brand graphics kit is you're going to get access to the Brand Swatch Studio Academy. And this is where you're going to learn the ins and outs of using your brand kit without having to be a pro. So when you start the course, it's basically training. This is Barbie Figueroa. You're going to go through each and every lesson. Now, let me go ahead and show you the lessons. You're going to have your welcome lesson. You're going to be able to download the different guides. They're bonuses that are included for you. And they include the Brand Swatch Graphics Guide, the Brand Swatch Fonts and Typography Guide, the Brand Swatch Photography Guide. That's going to help you take the right photos for your social media images, for your website, etc. And then you're going to get the Canva, create a Canva brand kit, 20 ways to use your brand graphics kit. And I'm going to be adding a couple more just so that you know exactly how to use your brand graphics kit. But on top of the graphics kit that you already received, you're also going to get a full training portal so that you'll always have training at your fingertips that you can tap into, so you're always moving forward. All right, so that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to start applying your brand colors to all the awesome bonuses that you received inside of your brand graphics kit. So I'll see you on the next video.